this is gonna be hard. This is gonna be hard to hold. Number 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, mamma mia, look at this. A masterpiece. Yes, look at that. Look at that, amigos. Look at that, amigos. Psst. I can turn it around, do it more, but no. I'll be breaking my own rules. I said that number and that's it. Thank you. Thank you. All right, that's perfect. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Oh, sorry. Put it back. I'm getting confused here. Ooh, this is like... This is like a bird, but I don't know what kind. Look at the head. Eye. Look at that. The body, legs, whatever. What kind of bird that is? What kind of bird is that, amigos? Let's, you see it? Okay, you let me know, okay? Let's turn it around. Oh, don't turn it around, don't turn it. Don't mess it up, Frank. All right, let's go. Oh, look at this face right here. Eye, nose, mouth. Look at that. That's nice. Let's lower the light just a bit. Boom.